Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we'll be making a plum oil balm for your lips. Okay, thanks for joining us. We're going to make this lovely plum oil blend for your lips, and it's actually one of my very favorite lip blend recipes that we've made here, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. To get started, it's actually really simple. You only need 3 ingredients. So you'll need castor oil, you'll need this beautiful plum oil, and a little non-GMO vitamin E. Okay, so this is so simple and so easy and so delicious. So plum oil, if you haven't tried it yet, it smells like almonds and cherries, and it's like a cake. Like, you immediately smell it and it's delicious. It also tastes nice on your lips. It gives that nice almond aftertaste with a little cherry. So it's very nice. It's very nice. It's one of my favorites. Okay, so you simply add your plum oil to your castor oil and add your vitamin E. And mix. Oh my gosh, I can smell that from here. It smells so good. So castor oil is a nice viscous oil. It'll help stay on your lips and give it all that natural moisture. Plum oil is great for moisture as well, and it adds shine to hair, and it'll keep your lips nice and plump too. It has some ingredients or some constituents that will help keep your lips nice and plump. And then of course the vitamin E is a great antioxidant. It's great for your lips, and it will keep your oils from going rancid. So in order to pour this into these cute little bottles I have, I'm going to transfer this into a beaker so it's easier for me to pour. Okay, so the recommended packaging. These cool little bottles, they're glass bottles. They're about 1/3 of an ounce, and they're really easy to use. They come with different tops, but you can get these nice little roller tops, and they come with this cool tool that you use to actually put the roller top on. If you push on the roller top, you'll ruin it, so you don't want to do that. You want to use the tool. So anyways, you could also get, they make little tiny funnels for filling bottles like this. I'm just going to free pour, and hopefully I don't make a mess. I'm usually pretty good at this. Of course, if you're doing a bunch of these, it might be easier to use a tool to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill that right up to the neck. All right, and then this is really cool. You just put the top on there as best as you can, and then you get your tool and you put it right over the top and use that to push it down into the bottle. That way you don't ruin your roller top. So there you go. And then of course the cap goes right on top of that. So it's that easy to fill and have your new plum oil. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh, it smells delicious. You guys are gonna love this. Anyways, thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy your new plum oil blend for lips. Please be sure to subscribe for more great videos, and thanks for joining us.